everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the Dell Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard. Let's dive into what makes this keyboard stand out. The Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard is a compact 75% keyboard priced at around $199.99. It features Alienware linear mechanical switches, RGB lighting, and hot swappable key switches. It's designed for both gaming and typing, with a sleek design and excellent build quality. First impressions: the build quality is top-notch. The keyboard is lightweight and compact, making it easy to use for extended gaming sessions. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable, adding a touch of personalization to your setup. One of the standout features is the hot swappable key switches, allowing you to easily customize your keyboard with different switch types. The RGB lighting is best in class, with per-key customization and stunning effects. The typing feel is snappy and responsive, perfect for both gaming and typing. Product cons: however, the Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard comes with a price tag of $199.99, which might be a bit high for some users. Additionally, it doesn't come with a wrist rest, which might be a downside for some gamers. In conclusion, the Dell Alienware Pro wireless gaming keyboard is a fantastic choice for gamers and typists alike. With its excellent build quality, customizable RGB lighting, and hot swappable switches, it's a versatile and high-performing keyboard. If you're willing to invest in a premium keyboard, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.